We partnered with medical device OEMs to bring medical devices to market to change and save people's lives. My name is Roger Solano. I work for a company called ATL Technology. ATL is a global company. Our headquarters are in Utah, but we also have manufacturing facilities in Costa Rica, the United Kingdom, and China. We were outgrowing all of our systems. Our tools were not consistent. We had different levels of maturity. So we needed to implement something that was global in nature and that we could continue to scale. One of the main benefits of implementing Autodesk PLM software has been the globalization of our data, the access to our data. All of our teams are working in the same database in a cloud environment. This has increased significantly our collaboration with operations with the manufacturing facilities, and it has made it so that we are producing a product, a design that is ready for manufacturing. With the implementation of the PLM software, we have automated our process of pushing BOM files into our ERP. And this has been critical, not only because of the time saved on the automation, but also because it has shifted the mindset of the engineers. Through the implementation of our PLM software, we've worked with Autodesk. They have walked beside us from the moment that we started our journey to try to select the right type of tool for our business, through the development and the user story creations until the implementation and the go live. I would recommend Autodesk Cloud PLM to any organization looking to improve their business systems, to globalize their footprint, to centralize their data management. It's a great tool for anyone looking forward to uplift their business and take it to the next level.